हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप। मैं अरविंद आर्य आप सभी का अपने चैनल आसान फिजिक्स में स्वागत करता हूं। हम पढ़ रहे थे, पिछली क्लास में हमने रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को डिस्कस किया था। नाउ आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट। क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट। तो फटाफट से चैनल को लाइक शेयर कर दें। जिनने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ है चैनल को, फटाफट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे हमको वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन पहले मिल सके। तो देखते हैं, हम डिस्कस करते हैं आज के टॉपिक। आज का टॉपिक क्या है हमारा? एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट। इसमें हमारी एनसीईआरटी बुक में 3 टॉपिक कवर होते हैं। पहला टॉपिक है कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ अ लाइट रे फ्रॉम द ग्लास स्लैब, या डिस्प्लेसमेंट लेटरल डिस्प्लेसमेंट टेक्स प्लेस ऑफ अ लाइट रे फ्रॉम द ग्लास स्लैब। सेकेंड वन है कि द बॉटम ऑफ बकेट अपीयर रेज्ड, और नेक्स्ट वन है अपीयरेंस ऑफ सन बिफोर एक्चुअल सनराइज एंड आफ्टर एक्चुअल द सनसेट। सो नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस फर्स्ट टॉपिक, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम द ग्लास स्लैब। सो वी कंसीडर दैट कि ABCD be a glass slab, and whenever the light ray incident on the glass slab, then 2 time refraction of light will takes place. There are 2 types of refraction of light will takes place. First one is air glass interface and second one is glass air interface. Okay, so now we consider ABCD. What we consider? ABCD be a rectangular glass slab and PQ be a light ray incident on air glass interface. Incident on air glass interface to the glass slab. So the refraction of light will take place from this air glass interface, because the light ray should move from rarer to denser medium. Air is rarer and glass is denser. So the light ray should move from rarer to denser medium, then it shift towards the normal. Light ray becomes shift towards the normal. Okay, so whenever the light ray move from again interface CD, then the light ray should move from glass to air. Glass to air. Whenever this refracted light ray incident on glass air interface, then it moves from glass to air. So again refraction of light will take place, but at this time light should move from denser to rarer. Light should move from denser to rarer medium. So it shifts away from the normal. This is, it moves from denser to rarer, that is glass to air. So denser to rarer, then it shifts away from the normal. So whenever the refraction of light will take place from this glass slab, then there is no deviation of light ray will take place, because in this condition angle of incidence should be equal to angle of emergent. Angle of incidence should be equal to angle of emergent. That is, if angle of incidence is 30 degree, then angle of emergent is also 30 degree. But the lateral displacement of light ray will takes place, because whenever light ray should refracted from this glass slab, then the direction of incident light ray and the emergent ray are parallel to each other. The direction of incident light ray and emergent ray both are parallel to each other. So no deviation of light ray will takes place, but the lateral displacement of light ray will takes place. And in this condition, angle I should be equal to angle E. Angle of incidence should be equal to the angle of emergent. And we can say that the angle of refraction R should be equal to the angle of incidence on this glass air interface. That is, both these angles are equal. ठीक है? So this is the application of refraction of light, or we can say that it is simply the refraction of light will takes place from the rectangular glass slab. Next one is second application क्या है? A bucket filled with water, then its bottom appear raised. क्या कह सकते हैं कि ये जो वाटर फिल्ड किया हुआ है हमने इसमें बकेट में, इसका एक्चुअल जो सरफेस है वो एक्चुअल पोजीशन से रेस्ड पोजीशन पर देखेगा. दिस विल ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस सॉरी this will also takes place due to refraction of light, because when an observer see a point O inside the bottom of this bucket, then the one light ray from this point O passes undeviated. क्योंकि हमने ऐसा पढ़ा था कि जब कोई लाइट रे क्या होती है, नॉर्मल इंसिडेंस होती है, तो उसका रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं होता है. विदाउट रिफ्रैक्शन इट पासेस अनडेविएटेड. विदाउट रिफ्रैक्शन द लाइट रे पासेस अनडेविएटेड. ठीक है, रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं होगा और ये क्या हो जाएगी, स्ट्रेट लाइन में पास हो जाएगी. बट अनदर लाइट रे which incident obliquely on water air interface. So the light ray which incident obliquely on the water air interface, then light ray should move from denser to rarer medium. So it shift away from the normal. So we can see that actual depth of this water surface is h. We consider that this is called actual depth. This is what? Actual depth. But an observer can't see the point O at the actual depth because the refraction of light will take place because it moves from denser to rarer. So shift away from the normal. And whenever these light ray on extending behind, then observer seems that the point O is not situated at actual position, but it is situated some apparent position O dash. That's why the bottom of bucket appear to be raised. Okay. Now next topic is appearance of sun before actual sunrise and after actual the sunset. देखिए बच्चों, तो हम डिस्कस करते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट क्या है? appearance of sun before actual sunrise and after actual the sunset. So the sun is visible to us before actual sunrise and after actual sunset, after the actual sunset, due to the atmospheric refraction. Because at the time of sunrise or sunset, sun reaches below the horizon. So the sunlight coming from sun enters through earth atmosphere. Then it should move from rarer to denser medium because it moves from vacuum to air. So the sunlight should move from rarer to denser medium. That's why it shifts slightly towards the normal, which is about half an degree. And the refractive index of air with respect to vacuum is 1.00029. So that's why we can say that the light ray should move from rarer to denser medium. That's why it shifts slightly towards the normal, which is about half an degree. And when this light ray on extending behind, then observer feels that it should move from some apparent position S dash instead of coming from point S. That's why sun visible to observer at some apparent position. So he feels that, that's why the phenomena will take place. Sun is visible to the observer before actual sunrise and after actual the sunset. And in one phenomena, either sunrise or sunset, time delay is about 2 minutes. The time delay is about the 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the third application of refraction of light जो आपकी एनसीईआरटी बुक्स में थी. तो इसको हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया. अब ठीक है, तो मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक और नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ. तो पढ़ते रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए.